Hi guys, welcome to Tech Hub GH. You see those guys in the office who are always doing some wizardry stuff with the keyboard? Yeah, they make you feel dumb sometimes, right? Well, today we are going to learn some top 5 keyboard shortcuts that you need to know. And you can use that to also show that, yeah, you are a techie. Let's get in. So, for anyone who uses a Windows machine, the top 5 keyboard shortcuts you need to know are how to copy, cut and paste, how to undo, how to restart or reboot your machine, how to find anything anywhere on your machine, and finally, a bonus tip. So let's start with the first one. That's how to cut, copy and paste. To be able to do this, C button, the V button, and then the X button, they are really close together, so it's quite simple. Let me just open a Word document to demonstrate what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is a video script we have, and I want to move this to another Word document page. So quickly, I can just Ctrl C to copy. Just quickly highlight whilst we are at it. If I want to copy the entire thing, it's Ctrl A to select everything. Else, you can just simply highlight whatever particular thing you want and then you Ctrl C it. I want to copy the entire thing, so let me just do my Ctrl A. Everything is highlighted. Ctrl C, it's copied. I open my next page and then Ctrl V, it's pasted. I'm sure you saw that, right? Okay. Now, to cut, Ctrl A to select everything, and then Ctrl X, and then it's gone. I can repaste this as well. So that's for cut and paste. So Ctrl C is copy, Ctrl V is paste, Ctrl X is cut, and Ctrl V is still paste. So that is for the copy, cut and paste option. Now let's go to the next one, which is Ctrl Z. We'll still use the same example. So say I cut this, Ctrl X. Sorry, let me just select everything first. And then I want to undo my action. So I go Ctrl Z and then it's back. So this is very useful in cases where you accidentally delete something or you accidentally type something into a particular space. Let's try that and see. Okay, so Ctrl Z and it's back. I'm sure you saw that. Yes, so that's for Ctrl Z, it is to undo. But I wish we had a real undo button in our lives to undo all of our mistakes. That would be so helpful. Okay, so the next thing is Ctrl Find. Sometimes you may be on a particular page, you want to find a particular word and you can't find it because you obviously cannot see a search button. This is easier with the key combination Ctrl F. See, that's a search button right there. So say I want to search for the word video. Every video word in this document has popped up, and that's how you use Ctrl F. This can work in any other field. And then we have the Windows logo. As I said, this is very useful. Very, very, very useful. If you press this directly whilst you are in your browser, this is what it does. Voila, it pops up the start menu and you can easily go through and choose whatever you want. So it's just a way of saying it brings you back home when you are far off. Yes, so that's for just the Windows key. Let's try that again. Yes, and then it's there. And then finally we have the Ctrl-Alt-Delete button. And now this is very useful when you want to restart your machine or when you want to perform any reboot activity. So you see the Ctrl, that's a Control, Ctrl, Alt, and then the Delete. That's where mine is, or this, either this or this, they both work. So Control, Alt, and delete. See, you can lock, you can switch your user, you can sign out, you can change your password, or you can go to your task manager, and that's all you need to do a complete system reboot. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching Tech Hub GH. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, comment, and make sure you subscribe and click on the notification button. We will be coming your way next week with a similar video for Mac computers. We hope you will stay tuned for that as well. Till then, catch ya!